Are you struggling to make money with your online business? Are you tired of not getting any leads or sales? Are you so frustrated you're ready to quit? Today, I'm going to show you 3 things you need to do to stop all that. First thing you need to do is you need to find a community that will support you. If you're not making any money, if you're not getting the help you need from your team, your company is not that community. I recently found a community that will support me outside my company, that doesn't continually try to where folks don't continually try to recruit me into theirs. The goal is to build my company where I am. That's the Digital Marketer Success Network. The first thing you'll need to learn, the first thing I learned in the Digital Marketing Success Network was consistency. Most network marketers failed because they're inconsistent. They're not sure what they need to do to promote their company. They're not sure when to do it. And so they don't. Or they'll do for a couple of days and nothing happens. And so they get frustrated and they look for something else to do. But the bottom line is they're not consistent. The first thing you need to do to make money online is to show up every day. Do the same things. If you do the same thing and it's wrong and do it long enough, you'll get good at it. The thing you need to know about consistency is not your fault. 80% of us our brains are wired to want immediate satisfaction. So when your leader stands up there and tells you do this, do that, do something else, and it works for him, but it doesn't work right away for you, then the need for immediate gratification kicks in and you look for something else to do. You're part of the 80%. It's not your fault. It's the way your brain's wired, but you can fix that. And that's where the consistency comes in. In Digital Marketer Success Network, we've got a course that's included that will teach you how to rewire your brain so that you can be consistent. The other thing the Digital Marketer Success Network is, it's a community that includes marketers, digital marketers, affiliate marketers, network marketers at all levels of success. Brand new people, people that have made literally millions of dollars as network marketers that are willing to help you learn to do the right things at the right time in the right order. We have a variety of calls, including workshop calls, where if you're doing something and you can be like I was a couple of weeks ago, real proud of my new video, and I put it in for critique. Whoa. It changed the way I'm doing things, because what I thought was really great was not so great. Some of my friends not so gently pointed this out to me, but I learned from it and I'm getting better results now. That was about YouTube videos, which is a new thing for me. But we have other things too that we learn within the community. We trade strategies, we trade tools. The object of the Digital Marketer Success Network, that's a mouthful, is to teach you to grow your business where you are. We've got rules against cross recruiting. The point is to help you grow where you are. We've got a variety of tools that we talk about within the community. YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, any place you're working online to promote your business, somebody there is doing it better than you are, and it's willing to help you get better and make money. There's a saying about a rising tide floats all boats. That's what we're trying to do. Those that are making money are helping those that are not make money. We all succeed together. Occasionally, we will look at a new opportunity. There's always some hot, new, shiny object coming along, and we've got skilled people that will take a look at these things and decide whether they're good enough to bring to the group. No pressure, just take a look and see if you're interested. And if you are, then we'll help people grow that way too. But again, there's no process, no pressure in the to cross recruit. What I'd like you to do is consider joining the Digital Marketer Success Community Network. There's going to be a link in the description. I'd also like you to like this video if you found it useful. Subscribe, please. There's other videos in this series that will help you, and there's more coming down the road. Every week I'm going to put something up that will help you grow as a digital / affiliate / network marketer. Join us today and have a great one.